All right, so this is my current setup for my PS5. They're about to start my Thunder versus Spurs game. I'm an OKC fan. Don't hate, don't hate. So this is the TV I'm using. Is a 65-inch OLED TV, Samsung, and it's really good for gaming. That's for 4K, 165 hertz refresh rate. So it's pretty good, and I love it. I got it in December, so it's great for gaming. My setup is super whack, so I'm gonna kind of update it after this video. But this is where the P5 lives. Fun fact, I was part of the first people that got the P5 in 2020 in November. So I was one of those crazy people who got it. Those are the original white plates I'm gonna replace. That's the controller and the charger. Then I got a couple books here. You know, I got a Rep Kobe over here. And then these are the games. Of course, I have some more digital games on the P5, but most of it is 2K. I stopped playing 2K actually, but I got 26 just for the cover. Because that's my boy, Shay. I know what y'all gonna say about the flopping, but I got Gran Turismo 6. I got Spider-Man, Spider-Man 2, Hogwarts Legacy, Ratchet and Clank. So I wanna upgrade this setup, maybe get some ambient lighting. I do have Govee lighting at the back here. Let me put it on. So that's for like nighttime vibes. But I do want to see maybe if I can get like ambient lighting here. And then maybe ambient lighting here. Maybe replace this bookshelf and the printer because that looks weird. I don't know. If you guys can give me suggestions, just let me know what you think. It's gonna look good. That's gonna complete the setup because I mean right now it's pretty boring. But I am going to replace the PS5 plates and I'm gonna show you that right now. So I got my Thunder gear on. We're playing game 7 against the Spurs, so hopefully we win. Yell at haters. All right, so I'm gonna replace the PS5 plates. This is my 2020 PS5, so I'm gonna show you how to take it off. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna look at the logo here. Take your hand and lift it up just a bit, pull it back. That should take it off. I will say, taking off the back of this plate where the disc version is pretty hard. Normally what you do is the same thing at the corner, lift and pull it out. But for this one, it doesn't work. It's too tightly snapped on. So normally what I do is I just take the corner of this and hit it down on the floor a little bit, and then it pops right off. So I'm gonna do that right now. Do it gently so that you don't mess up your whole PS5. But so I've taken that off. Before this video, I did clean this. And so I have like an aerosol spray, which I sprayed the fan and I sprayed the other side so that I can take off like any type of dust and all that stuff. In the future, I am definitely gonna replace the storage card to get a bigger one, especially if GTA 6 comes out, which will be never. But that slot is over here, right here. All right, so let's get the new plates. So I have the new plates here. I got them from Amazon. But the first thing I wanted to show you actually is I got this cool icons light, PlayStation icons light. I've seen some people have this on there, so I'm gonna add that to my collection. Again, my setup is whack. So if anyone has suggestions to make it look better, just let me know. I will be doing an updated video maybe in the next month with all the new updates. So look out for that, subscribe. But this is how it looks like. The build just feels really plasticky cheap. I mean, it wasn't that expensive, but yeah. So I will be adding that to the TV stand. So the next one is the PS5 black plates. So I got black plates for $31 on Amazon, and they have a little fan slot so the PS5 can breathe. I will say in my TV stand where it sits, sometimes it does get hot, so you put your hand there and it's like really hot. So having this, the fan slot will be great, and it shows over here. So the PS5 can breathe a bit, but it's all black for both sides, fans for both sides. So we're gonna put that on right now. So these are the plates. I'm gonna put them on now. So at the back, the PS5, all you have to do is put it on in here and let it slip in. Sometimes you've got to give it a little bang so it goes in. Boom. Turn it over, and the other side. That shit. Boom, nice snap. That's as simple as that. So this one has a fan on it. Let me get a bit closer so you can see. This one has a fan on it here, and in the back too here. So I'm gonna go put this at the TV stand. So I'm gonna put the new P5, the new P5 plates over here. I'm gonna plug all the necessary things in. Forgot to show you this. This is the stand that comes with the P5. So I'm going to make sure I place that properly. This is the icons light. Gotta hide the cables behind the TV stand. Okay. All right, so I'll let you know how it looks at nighttime with all the lights and everything. So, but yeah, that's it for this video. I'll give you an update of how I change everything. Maybe I'll put some ambient Govee lighting at the side here. Maybe I'll finally get another bookshelf to make this balance out. Right now the setup is not. It's a bit ugly, to be honest. But I'm trying to upgrade that. Maybe one day when I get enough money, I'll have a sound bar. For right now, this is my PS5 setup. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Right now, this is a very random YouTube channel. I still do paintings. Go look at my YouTube shorts. But yeah, subscribe if you like this. All right, see you guys. Thunder up, baby.